Hello and welcome to the Culinary Exchange. My name is Matthew, and in this video we're making pulled pork in the slow cooker. I have a medium sweet onion which I've peeled and cut in half. Now I'm just going to take my chef's knife and cut it into large chunks. I have 6 cloves of garlic which I'm just going to crush and peel. I have a medium bowl, and to it I'm going to add a cup of ketchup, 1 cup of apple cider, 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, 1/3 of a cup of molasses, 2 tablespoons of grainy mustard, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, and 3 tablespoons of ancho chili powder. Give this a mix. I have a 4-pound pork shoulder. Just going to season it up with salt and pepper. I have the bowl of my slow cooker, and to it I'm going to add my onion and garlic. On top of that, I'm going to add my pork shoulder. And on top of this, I'm going to pour my sauce ingredients. Put the lid on, and I'll cook this for about 6 to 7 hours on low. My pork shoulder has been braising away, and it's nice and tender. I'm going to take it carefully out of the pot. You can see it's just falling apart. I'm now going to degrease this liquid and then put it on the stove and reduce it by about half. And while that's reducing, I'll pull the pork with 2 forks. My sauce coats the back of a spoon. I'm just going to take a ladle of it or 2 and just put it right on, and I'll serve the rest on the side. I have some of our pulled pork. Just going to take a little bit of that sauce and drizzle some more right on top. Let's give it a taste. That meat is so tender and juicy. That sauce is nice and tomatoey with just a dash of heat from the ancho chili powder. Really delicious. And there you have it. That's how you make pulled pork in the slow cooker. Hey, for more great recipes and cooking tips, come visit us at theculinaryexchange.com. And before you go, make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming videos. I'm Matthew. Thanks for watching.